So the ingredients you're going to need are 1 packet of tofu, around about 275 grams, but if you want to feed more people, that's totally cool. Some soy sauce to marinate that in. You're going to need some vegan milk. I like to use soy milk, but you can use almond or something like that. Some breadcrumbs will be good, and some flour. And for some flavorings, you're going to need to use some mixed herbs, preferably some rosemary because it gives it that nice sort of chicken flavour, and then a vegetable stock cube, some salt as well, and some pepper. If you don't have mixed herbs, the herbs that you want to use are, sort of basil, thyme, oregano, that sort of thing. You'll need 3 bowls to mix with, a plate, chopping board, knife, and an oven tray to bake in. Put the oven on 180 degrees Celsius on fan bake or bake. So you just want to strain out the excess water from your tofu packet. Just going to press down, squeeze out all that water that you don't need. You want to chop it into your desired pieces. You can do as big or small as you like, but the smaller you do, the more flavour it's going to get. Now you're going to want to soak in some soy sauce. Let this soak while you do the other steps of preparing the ingredients. Flour in. Now you're going to have to just sort of see how it goes with how much you're going to use. Just use a little bit at the start and then you can always add more later. You can add some salt, some mixed herbs. Use half of it there and the next half with the breadcrumbs. Next one you're going to use some soy milk. Again, just sort of see how you go along and add as you need. What you do is you get your piece of tofu, get it smothered in your flour mixture, and then you can pop it in your milk with some vegetable stock, and then roll in the breadcrumbs. Pop it in your tray of oiled tray. So now it's all ready to go in. Just pop it in there for around 10 to 20 minutes. Just check on it every now and then. Check on it after the 10 minutes if it's ready, cool. If it's not, then leave it in for another 10.